If you have a handful of chingri or prawns in your freezer, then grab a lau and make this lau chingri today. Oh, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Peel the lau and then cut them in thin sticks. Many people like to cut it in cubes, but I just prefer it this way. So it's practically your choice. In another bowl, add some salt and turmeric powder to the prawns and give it a mix. To start, we will flash fry the prawns. It has to be a quick step because prawns get cooked super fast. So my tip here would be to dump them in a pan and count to 6. Then take them out. In the same pan, drop a couple of tejpata, kacha lanka and cumin seeds. As they splutter, add the lau. A little bit of narachara, that's we call giving a mix. And then we add some salt, turmeric powder and a touch of jeera guro or cumin powder along with the grated ginger. Lau or bottle gourd cooks really very fast, and once it does, add the fried chingri that we kept aside earlier. I like the flavor of chingri with some fresh coconut, but neither of them overpowering each other. So I'm adding just a little sprinkle of freshly grated nargil. And of course we are going to finish with some sugar and to round up the flavors with ghee. Serve it with some garam bhat and you are up for a very comforting Bengali meal. Thank you.